So we always say we make impact on 3 levels. The first level is easy or clear. It's saving packaging waste. Every product that is sold at Peter Pot that the customer buys is 1 package saved. Because we save a package because it's in this jar. So we now to date have saved over 5 million packages, and we will save more millions in the coming years. That's the first level. Second level is saving CO2. So we did calculations, life cycle analysis as it's called, if we are the most sustainable way to do your groceries on a CO2 level. And this is the case, even while our delivery is not yet the most sustainable, so the delivery is not always done by electric vans yet, but still we are already most sustainable because our jar is reused over 40 times. 40 times is also the amount that's used for the beer bottles that are reused. That's also 40 times. And we don't exist long enough to determine if it can be even used for longer, but at least 40 times. Few jars break, but on average. And this makes it way more sustainable than even recycled packaging, because recycling takes lots and lots of energy. And we did calculations comparing different types of packages. And we have these calculations transparently exposed at our website also. And these calculations are done by an external party that are validated. So that's the second level, CO2 footprint. And the third level is changing the system, showing that a circular packaging system is possible by showing it is possible, collaborating with big parties like Kraft Heinz that changed their system for us, but also creating the blueprint that other partners can hop on our system. So for example, McDonald's is piloting with circular packaging in Germany, wants to scale this up, can't find the washing capacity for their circular packaging. Well, we have the washing capacity for ours, but we're also offering this to big partners. So these are examples for changing the system. So that's how we make impact, saving waste, reducing CO2 and changing the system. So if you take all factors in the life cycle analysis, which we do, this is the most sustainable solution at this moment. However, this should be lighter. The delivery should be electric. And so I believe in innovation. There must be a material in the future that is as reusable as glass, but way lighter and maybe as light as cardboard or plastic. But that material doesn't exist yet. Then we also have an assortment of non-food, which are, for example, shampoo bars, which saves all the water and are the most sustainable solution versus shampoo bottles. So there we chose, okay, for the non-food section, we offer the best sustainable solution for that type of product. However, it's not always in circular packaging. So the shampoo bars still come in a small cardboard box, which is the best option currently to date. And we're continuously searching for the best option, but not always circular packaging. But the food is always in circular packaging and glass jars. We're also now researching into, okay, what if, is there a model to refill? So what if the first time you get it in a glass jar, but the refill is in paper, which can be maybe lower CO2 footprint. However, it's not completely waste-free. Recycling takes energy, so we're still doing exercises there. To date, it seems that this is the best solution.